once alone, out there on my own. Now there's finally someone in my world for me to love. Finally skies are blue, finally finally, happily, I'm glad to see he looks at me. And love is something I love. 'Cause even though I'm small as this, it happens. I have lips to kiss, a hand to hold, a heart that breaks in two or maybe three, and someone's finally noticed me. Take my place with him. I